Welcome to Crazy Clicks e-commerce masterclass. In this journey, we are going to unlock the secrets to building a thriving online business. But first, let's understand the landscape. What exactly is e-commerce and how did it become the global powerhouse it is today? At its core, e-commerce is simply the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet. Think about it, from ordering your groceries to booking a flight. Almost every aspect of our lives now has an online equivalent. It's about convenience, accessibility, and a global marketplace at your fingertips. For centuries, e-commerce was primarily a physical exchange. You visit a shop, pick out your items, and pay. The internet has changed everything. It removed geographical barriers, extended operating hours to 24/7, and opened up a world of possibilities for both consumers and businesses. The journey of e-commerce began in the early 90s with pioneers like Amazon and eBay. Fast forward to today, we are seeing incredible innovations: mobile commerce, social commerce, live shopping, and the integration of artificial intelligence. The growth has been exponential, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Right here in South Africa, the e-commerce landscape is booming. We have seen significant growth in online sales, with millions of South Africans embracing digital shopping. This presents an unprecedented opportunity to entrepreneurs like you to tap into the rapidly expanding market. Hello, welcome. I'm Alistair. I've been involved in e-commerce for 3 years now. It started as an accident. I was a web developer, owned a web development agency. And it came to a point in time where one client of mine decided to build an online shop. After the project had finished, they just left it all to me, and I had to just put some products and put some structures there. After a while, I left the shop just like that. And one day, I just thought to check my bank account, only to discover that there was 2,000 Rand unaccounted for. At one glance, I thought it was really miracle money. But later on to trace, I discovered that an order had been placed via the online store. To check in a full story about this story, please check this video on YouTube. That's how I began e-commerce. This masterclass isn't just about understanding e-commerce, it's about empowering you to be part of this revolution. In the next video, we'll dive into how to identify profitable niches, source products for your online store, get ready to transform your entrepreneurial dreams into